Making some of nature's penicillin. We got a couple of family members who are coming down with something. They've got a sore throat, and so we are making something to combat that. So we've got here 2 lemons. Cut them up into small pieces, skin and all. And then we're going to add 1 whole orange, skin and all. It's going to taste very interesting, I'm sure. And then we're going to add 1 whole grapefruit, skin and all. Alright, that's pretty full. Next we're going to add 3 cloves of garlic. Next up we're going to add some garlic. We have 3 cloves of garlic here. We're going to drop that in there. And then after which we're going to add some onion. I'm going to blend this up first to see if it'll go down a little bit so the onion will fit. So we're going to go ahead and blend. Alright, let's see what we got here. See if we can add some onion. Oops. And that was 1/2 of a large onion. On each side. Let's see. And the last thing we're going to add is some peppermint essential oil, just 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Just to top it off. We're going to blend it one more time and serve it to our wonderful family members. And this is the final product.